Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, guys. Yesterday I lost program is not work.
Yesterday,
Mhm. Okay, good. Good, Thiru. Okay, so today we need to start nested if, right? Today we will start nested if, right, guys?
yes,
Okay, so now let's start it. Let's start. Okay, nested if is nothing but what, guys? Nested if is nothing but what? Multi-level decision also, we can say that multi-level decision also, right? Multi-level decision also we can say, right? Come on, multi-level,
Yes, yes, Ravi.
multi
yes,
multi-level, multi-level decision, multi-level decision, we can say this one as a multi-level decision also, right? Multi-level
Yes, sir.
decision, multi-level decision. Now okay, so now multi-level decision we can say that if 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 within if, right? Or let's take nested if within we need within another if is called it, right? Called it nested if, right? Nested if, just simply we will understand these things as a diagrammatically things, how it's working now, guys, how it's working now. Okay, so just I'm opening the paint. Just I'm opening the paint now. Simple. What is that? How it's working now, guys? Just assume that we are taking one condition. Just we are taking one condition. Inside that, just assume that we have the condition. We have this condition. Or let's take simple. Right? Some statement is there. After then some statement is there. Again, we are taking the if condition. Again, we are taking if condition. Right? If condition, in the if condition some statement will be there now, guys, come on, which that statement will execute, right? Come on, just assume that some statement is there. If this statement is perfectly working, then again what is that? Based on this statement we are writing again one more condition inside that if, right? Inside that if, then in this if, what is that? Some statements are there, inside that also some statements are there, after then what is that? Some statements are there, right? These statements are there, after then what is that? This is the out of what? If condition. These are the out of if condition. Means what is that? This condition, right? This if condition is called, what is that? Outer if. And this one is called, what is that? Inner if. This one is called, what is that? Inner if. When this one will execute, just assume that our program is executing perfectly. Now our program is executing now, guys. So after then what? Condition will enter inside this one. Now this condition is becoming, if this condition is outer condition is becoming true, if outer condition is becoming what? true, then the condition will enter inside that if condition. Now, after entering in the inside that, right, if then this condition also satisfy, inner condition also becoming true, if inner condition also becoming true, then what is that? This block will execute. This block will execute if this one is becoming true. If this one is becoming true, then this block will execute, then normal execution will happen. Then normal execution will happen, right? This is the scenario. This is the scenario if all things is becoming true. If all things is becoming true, just assume that. Now, false scenario. Let's see that false scenario. Now, our program is executing, and here what is that? False is happened. If outer block is becoming false, then what is that? Then what is that? Then directly our control will jump to outside. It will not enter in if condition, right? It will not enter inside that what if condition, guys. Now here, this is the false scenario. This is what? False scenario. Just assume that if this condition is becoming true, if what is that? If here this condition is becoming true, if this condition is becoming true, then what is that? And control is enter. Now this block is started to executing. This block is started to executing, but the thing is here again, inner block, if condition is becoming false, then what will happen now? Just here condition is becoming false. Then here condition is becoming false. If here condition is becoming false, then what will happen now? This block again will not execute. It will come directly outside of this block, and from here then execution will start. From here then again execution will start, guys. This is the flow of what? This is the flow of our multi-level inner block, right? Sorry, multi-level are nothing but what is that? Nested if else condition. Nested what? Nested if else condition. Based on that, we are working in that. Just assume that, guys, when we are applying what? When we are applying this nested if else condition, we will see that those things we will see as a practical now, guys. Okay, if you want more clarity, okay, I'm taking, just assume that in the front of your house, right? In the front of, just assume that this is your house. This is your house. In the house, how many things is there? Let's take multiple things is there. This is the hall, guys. This is hall. This is hall, right? And this one is what is that? Let's take this one is a bedroom. Bedroom, right? This one is a bedroom, and another one is what is that? Kitchen. Kitchen. Just assume that this is the kitchen, right? And this is the front of your house. What is that? Road is there, right? Now what is that? Just assume that one person, let's take someone name here from that. Okay, just I'm searching the name. I want to pick him. Let's take today new. He's not a new person. He is joining our session every day. But I first time I'm taking his name also, Saurabh. Okay, just assume that this is the Saurabh, right? Saurabh. This is the Saurabh. He is there on the front of road, right? Now he want to enter in his home. This is the gate. This is the main gate of his house. This is the main gate of what is that? His house, right? So means what? Means what is that? Now here what is that? Saurabh want to enter inside that what? In his home, right? Now he's entering in his house. Now if gate is open, then only Saurabh will enter inside that house or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Right? then if he is, until unless if he is not entering in his home, right, until unless he is not entering in his house, then how he can enter inside that another bedroom or kitchen, or any possibility is there?
No, no.
So first,
No.
if he want to enter, if he want to enter in his what bedroom, then first he will enter inside that hall na.
Yes, yes.
Right? So we can say if if Saurabh is entering in hall, then this is what is that outer if condition. Outer if condition. Once he enter inside that hall, from hall to, then he can enter inside that bedroom na. Come on.
Right, right.
Right?
Yes,
So
Ravi.
so if he is entering in his bedroom, then what is that? We can say this is the inner if condition or not, because multi-level decision is there. See, he is there on the road. Once he enter, if he is entering in the hall, then only he can enter in the bedroom. Come on. Come on, friends.
Yes, Ravi.
Respond. Why people is
Yes.
becoming silent? I don't know.
Yes, Ravi.
If you guys are not
Yes.
catching, right, I will take different example. At least you open your mouth. Right now, fine. Okay. So we can say that this is what is that entering in the hall is what is that inner, sorry, outer
Outer.
if, and once he enter inside that, he want to enter inside that bedroom, then what is that? We can say that inner if, right? Inner if, same like guys, same like in the condition here, multi-level decision is happening or not, guys? Come on, multi-level decision is happening
Yes.
or not? Come on.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes,
same
Ravi.
like here, what is that in the programming also, if else condition also there, guys. Inside if we are taking one if condition, inside that again if we are taking one more if condition, that is called what is that multi-level decision, or we can say inner if condition. Come on guys.
Yes, yes,
Right?
Yes,
So
Ravi. Yes,
when
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
when we are applying these things now, guys, when we are applying these things in the programming world now, let's see that, right? Let's see that. Simple, I'm writing one program. Simple, I'm writing one program. Let's take where username I'm taking, right? Username, that is what? Let's take this one as a string, and a username I'm taking. Let's take username, let's take Ravi only, right? Ravi underscore RK. This is what? Username. Another one I'm taking, let's take where index.ts, right? Where let's take username. I'm taking this one as a string. Right? Now let's take Ravi underscore TR, let's take RK. Right? This is username. And again I'm taking what is that, where let's take password. Let's take password, that is also a string itself only, and inside that let's take something password as a, let's take Ravi11. Okay, this is our password now, guys. This is our password now, guys. Please focus on this one, right? I'm again and again and every time I'm saying these things only I will implement in the Angular. Whatever logic I'm touching here, right, each and every logic I will implement whenever we will enter in the Angular. So that is the reason every time I'm saying that, guys, please focus on it. Please focus on it. Right? Because except these logic, except these examples, I will not touch any extra thing in the Angular, guys. Based on this discussion only, our base only becoming strong in the TypeScript itself only. Once we will enter inside that Angular, just we will understand the infrastructure of Angular, how it's working, except that programming will be the same only. There, what is that? This data will render on the browser. Simple. These things only will be the extra only, guys. So that is the reason. If you are doing the practical on TypeScript, then Angular is nothing. You guys will start to playing like anything with Angular. Now let's take what is that. Here we are taking these two things, right? This we have what? Username and password. Simple. First we will check simple statement, guys. Simple else if, right? Simple if else if. I will show the problem with this one first. I will show the problem with this one, right? If we are developing username and password kind of logic in the programming word, then what is the if just simple, if we are using if else condition, what is the problem? First I will show the problem, then I will implement. This is the right way to write what for the username and password logic. Right now simple if else condition I'm taking here. What is that? I'm taking username equal to, just let's take Ravi underscore RK. I'm taking what is that? Ravi underscore RK, and what is that? Password also must be match. Right now equal to I'm taking I'm taking here. What is that? Let's take Ravi 11. This is only password na, guys. Come on, please respond everybody.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Now so means what is that? If both condition is satisfied, right? If both condition is satisfied, then this block will execute. So here what is that? I'm just writing console.log, right? Console.log. Inside that, let's write what is that? Login success. Now else block, right? Else block, I'm writing what is that? Console.log. Inside that console.log, what is that? Let's write invalid. Let's write what? Invalid, right? Invalid. But the thing is, guys, just assume that first we will get what is that? Login successful answer, right? We will get what is that? Login successful answer. Now clear. Let's write what is that? I'm compiling now. I'm compiling this one as a tsc index.ts. tsc index.ts. Okay, fine. Now it is compiled. Now let's run it. Node dot here we are getting what is that? Login success means what is that? Both condition is satisfied, means username and password, whatever username and password we are taking, both are matches. That is the reason our application is logged in, right? Come on, like that messages we are getting here, means on the console, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Ravi.
Yeah.
We are getting, right? Now but the thing is, guys, just assume that we are doing the mistake inside that. What is that? Username, right? Again I'm compiling now. Again I'm compiling now. Again we are running now. Here what I'm getting now? Invalid na? Invalid. Come on.
Invalid.
But this message,
Yes.
but by seeing this message, anyone can tell what is that? We are doing the mistake in the username or password. Where we are doing the mistake, no one can tell, right? Where we did mistake in the username, we are putting the wrong username or we are putting the wrong password.
Yeah, no one can tell.
No one can tell, right? By seeing that, what is that? Result, right? Come on, anyone, just assume that for the end user only we are developing the program na, guys. Come on. So just if end user is getting what is that? Invalid only, then end user is not a programmer, guys, right? He will think about that, what I did mistake. I kept what is that? I put wrong username or wrong password, right? Come on. This is not convenient.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
What is that? This is not convenient message na. So for that, what is that? We will write the program. We will write this application like such a way. If username is wrong, then end user should get what is that? Please put what? Correct username. If password is wrong, then put what is that? End user should get what is that? Message as a wrong password. Please put correct password, like that message. If end user is getting, then by seeing that result, end user can know that, right? This is the yeah, I did mistake inside that password, I did mistake inside that username. Come on, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Right? So we need to write the like that condition to what is that? It's so where we are doing the mistake, to controlling such kind of scenario in the programming world, right? In the programming world, then we will go as a multi-level what? multi-level decision is nothing but what is that? Nested if else condition, guys. Nested if else condition, right? Nested if else condition. So how we will now? So we will change this one, guys. Okay, this is the if else condition is there now. Here what is that? Invalid username. Let's give what is that? Invalid username. Invalid username. Okay, here we are given what is that? Invalid username. Again, inside that we will come inside that what is that? If else condition. Now remove this one. Now remove password. Just first time check the username. If username is correct, then login successful. If username is wrong, then what is that? Invalid username. We will get what is that? Invalid username. By seeing that if we are doing the mistake in the username, then if we get what? If we get invalid username, then by seeing that message, we can understand we are doing the mistake. What is that? We are putting wrong username na? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Why other are sleeping afternoon time? After completing
No.
12 o'clock, right? 12 or 1 o'clock after completing your lunch, you are doing the time pass here, guys.
No, Ravi.
No, Ravi.
Then why you just only Manjulata is giving the response? What about you guys? At least use the chat box, na? Okay, Sandeep, no issues. You are there in the hospital. Don't worry about that. If you don't want, please, what happened? Any issues there?
Yeah, my father is going to some surgery.
Okay. Please take care him, Sandeep. Don't worry about that. I will give you the recording. Don't worry, right? If you don't want,
Okay, okay.
Please drop the call. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I'll share the recording. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, welcome. Now let's discuss about. Don't think about all, guys. I'm not going to provide everyone. Only he is there in the issue, right? So that is the reason I'm providing him. Except that if everyone thinking about that, I will get the video. Recorded classes. Sorry for that. Sandeep is there in the issue. That is the reason I said that, and I will provide him. Okay, Sandeep, you can drop the call. Okay, if you don't want. Now let's continue. Now here what is that? Okay, login successful, right? Login successful. If what is that? Console dot login successful means what is that? If we are doing the mistake in the username, we will get what is that? Invalid username. Now again we will check one more condition. If inside that we will check password related. Now else block. Again we will take inside that what is that? If and else block. Now if the if block is successful, means what? If a password also correct, then login successful. Then what we will do it now, guys? Then what we will do it now? We will take password equal to let's take Ravi 11, right? Ravi 11. Now else block, we will take what? Else block. Sorry. Now we will take console inside that else block. We will write the message. What is that? Please, what is that? Now we will write invalid password. Invalid password means what is that? If username is mistake, the control will not enter inside that if block. Then what is that? It will come inside that else block. Then we will get what is that message now, guys? Username is wrong. Means we need to put what is that? Correct username. If what is that? If else block, sorry, if username is correct, then what is that? We will enter inside that what? Our control will enter inside that if block, and again it will check what is that? If password is correct. If password is correct, then login. If not, then invalid the password, right? Now see here we are doing the mistake in the username. Now we are doing the mistake in the username, so we will get what is that? Invalid username. CLS. Now compile it. Now we are getting the invalid username na, means what is that? By seeing this message, we can understand we are doing the mistake. We are putting wrong username. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Now let's take RK. Okay, we are taking what is that? Correct username. Correct username, but we are doing the mistake in the password. We are doing the mistake inside that password. Now let's compile it. Now invalid password. In this time message is changed. What is the message now? We are getting what is that? Because our password is wrong. Now this condition is what is that? Becoming what is that? False. Then we are getting what? Invalid now. So by seeing that
Yes.
message, by seeing this message, end user can understand we are doing the mistake inside that what? Password na.
Password.
Now let's take correct password. I taken what is that? Correct password. Now let's compile it. Now see, login successful means what is that? Username and password is correct. Come on, means what is that? Username and password is correct. That is the reason our application is login. Come on,
Login successful.
login successful, right? So like that we are writing the logic now, guys. So this is the example of what is that? Inner if else. Inner else if. Now okay, now one logical question I'm giving. Giving what is that? Sir, how many lectures completed of TypeScript? Today is my first lecture. Vaibhav. Your is first lecture. Okay, don't worry about that. If first lecture also, this is the normal logical things only going on. Na? Anyone can write. If you know any other programming, easily you can understand. Just syntax is different. So these are only syntax. That is not big syntax. And if else condition, same like another programming language only. Same like what is that? Another. Yeah, you know that Java, then simple. Same like only compiling, running the things only different. Except that nothing. Programming and logic is same in every programming language. Come on, guys. I'm right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Right, Ravi.
Now, let's, okay. Now I'm giving what is that one example. Now, guys, what is that? My question. Okay. Now, one interview question is there. What is the question now, guys? What is the question now? Finding big in two numbers. Big in two numbers using what is that? Using ternary operator. Using what is that? Ternary. Using what is that? Ternary operator, guys. If else condition, all four things is completed, guys. If else condition, whatever things till now, now completed. Not ternary operator. I'm going to explain what is that ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. How the ternary operator is working. Now guys, what is that? Now already we discussed about, right? But here what is that? My question is used ternary operator. Find big in two numbers. Simple. This application we already discussed about. This program already we discussed now. Come on.
Yes, discussed.
Yeah, given the two number, we are giving two numbers in between. What is that? Find what is that? Which one is the biggest or which one is the largest? That one only question is. But here what is that? Using the ternary operator, we need to perform the operation. This is our requirement, guys. This is our requirement, right? So this is our requirement. How we can do it? Okay, now before that, don't stress your mind, guys. Okay, let's before that, first I will explain. Ternary operator things. Then we will discuss about that, because directly if I give now, people will not able to give the response properly, and the people will think about that. What is that? How we can use or how we can do it now. Okay, so even and odd, we completed, right? That one also, even and odd. Come on.
Yes, completed.
Yeah, so but we used what is that simple if else condition. There only we did now, but in this time we will go,
Yes.
we will what is that? We will do that using ternary operator, guys, using the ternary operator. So now let's take the question. My question is now find simple. Again, I'm making more simple now. Even or odd. Even or odd using what is that? Using single line, single statement. Single statement using what is that? Single statement. I want what is that? Even and odd using what is that? Single statement, guys. Single statement. How we can do it? Previously, how we are doing now, guys? Previous example. Now copy this one. I given this example or not? Yeah, this one is there. Now remove it. Now previously how we are doing now, guys? Where let's take where let's take a number, right? Number we take in what is that? Number, and just assume that 10 I'm taking. Now simple if condition we are taking if condition and else block, right? Else. Now inside that what is that? Simple
Yes.
we are taking what is that? A%
A
to
modulo
equal to 0.
into
2
0.
equal to 0. If this one is satisfied,
Even.
then what is that? Console dot log, right? Console dot log. This is what is that? Even. Else what is that? Odd na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
This is the logic, right? This is the logic.
Yes, Ravi.
This is the logic. Previously we are doing like that. Like that, right? This is the examples. But now in this time, what is that? What is our requirement now, guys? Single statement.
Single statement.
In this time, what is that? Find even or odd using what? Single statement. Because here what is that? This is not a single statement, guys. This is what is that? One statement, right? One line, two line, now 3 line, 4 line. Come on, 4 lines are there. But what is that? I want these things in the single statement or single line. How we can do it? Then we will use the help of what is that? Ternary operator, guys. Ternary operator. By using ternary operator in the single line, we can same things, whatever things we are doing in the single line itself only, we can able to do it. Now how we will do it now? Let's see that, guys. How we will do it now? Let's see that. Okay. Now our requirement is what is that? How we can do it now? We will understand, guys. Simple, nothing more than else, guys. Simple. Remove H and everything. This is the logic now. This is the logic. Now what we need to do now? Do now? Console dot log. Let's take console dot log. Inside that we will take what is that? A, right? A percent two, right? We are taking
Equal
what
to
is
equal
that?
to 0.
Double equal to.
Double equal to 0.
Double equal to
Very
0
good.
condition.
Equal to 0. Now
0.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Now
Even.
if
Even.
if
Even
condition is
colon,
true.
Even.
Very good. Even
Colon.
condition is
Colon.
see if
Odd.
Colon. Order.
this condition
odd.
is true, then even. Now if this condition is false, then we will take colon. Now we will take what is that?
Order.
Odd.
Odd.
Simple. This is the single line statement or not, guys? Come on. Right?
Yes,
Now
Ravi. Yes.
CLS. All are interview question, right, guys? All I'm touching on interview questions now. Now see, even number 10 is even number. Now remove this one, make this one as a 11. Now compile and run it. We will get what is that? Odd.
Odd number.
Now we are getting the odd number. This is the single statement. What is that? Single line statement. Our Example is working or not, guys? It's working.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
It's working now. It's working now. It's working now. Okay. Now, but the thing is, if you are completing this question now, then interviewer will ask what is the difference between if else and a ternary operator. If else and a ternary operator. Then what is that? What you will tell now, guys? What you guys will tell? What you guys tell now? Okay, guys, let's
Ternary is a single line statement and
very good. Now,
One line statement.
yeah, no, not that one. Okay, now see, some people is maybe some people is understanding this one. Someone is not understanding, but again, I'm explaining this one, guys. See, what is that? This one is first scenario, right? How these things is happening. Just assume that a% 20, right? A% 20 equal to what? 0 na? Means what is that? Just assume that, just
Condition.
assume that here we are taking a value is what? 10. A value is 10. Percentage 2 we are taking, and equal to what is that? 0 or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
yes,
Now if 0 means what is that? This condition is becoming true or not, guys? This condition is becoming true, right?
True. True.
This one is becoming true. If this one is becoming true, then what is that? This is the things now. Means what is that? Then what is that? After question mark, even will execute or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Means what is
Yes.
that? If the true scenario is there, then this one will execute. If false scenario is there, then this one will execute.
Odd. Yes.
Right? Then this one will execute.
Yes.
Now, another time, what we are taking now? 11 we taken. Now, percentage 2 equal to how much, guys? How much? It will become 0 or 1?
One.
1.
1, right? If 1 equal to 0, it's true or false?
No, it's
No.
False.
false.
Right? Means what is that? This condition is becoming false. This condition is becoming false. If this condition is becoming false, then which block will execute now, guys? Which block will execute now? This one,
Odd.
Odd.
they will get
Yes.
odd or not,
False statement. Yes.
right? Then second one will execute, means false things will execute, right? So means what is that? How our ternary operator is working now, guys? Ternary operator is working as a